Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to the McDonald's app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your PayPal account to the McDonald's app in order to pay for some orders. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the McDonald's app. Then on the bottom right hand corner, click on More. And then from here, go ahead and click on Profile on the upper hand side. Next, click on Payment Methods. And then from here, click on PayPal on the bottom hand side. So what it's going to prompt you to do is that it's going to prompt you to log into your PayPal account so that you can connect your PayPal account to the McDonald's app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your PayPal account to the McDonald's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.